Ladies and gentlemen, for me, this moment is both personal and historic. Rakesh Roshan, or Gudu Uncle, as I lovingly call him, he gave us stars, stories, and cinema that has shaped generations. It's time to honor the man who not only carried the legacy forward but made it shine even brighter. Ladies and gentlemen, the man, the legend, Rakesh Roshan. To honor this legendary achievement, may I please invite on stage the eternal beauty, unmatched grace, the epitome of elegance, and a powerhouse of talent, Rekha ji, for presenting this tremendous honor.
शुक्रिया 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 नमस्कार 25 बरस मैंने इंतज़ार किया इस मोमेंट के लिए शुक्रिया अंद्रे शुक्रिया सबास शुक्रिया विराफ शुक्रिया आइफा शुक्रिया करण जी शुक्रिया कार्तिक जी उनकी बदौलत मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ ये ऑनर मुझे मिला है और इनके बारे में मैं 2 शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ अगर आप लोगों की इजाज़त हो तो इजाज़त है जी ये इंसान जिनका नाम है राकेश रोशन जी मेरी खुशनसीबी मेरे शुरू के करियर में मैंने उनके साथ काम करना शुरू किया खूबसूरत के बारे में तो आपको पता ही है लेकिन एक बहुत नामी काबिल डायरेक्टर विश्वनाथ गारू उन्होंने मुझे बहुत साल पहले कहा था कि रेखा तुम देखना ये लड़का जो है ना राकेश ये एक बहुत बढ़िया ही विल बी अ ग्रेट फिल्म मेकर वन डे और मेरी खुशनसीबी एंड माय गुड लक दैट डे केम एंड ही डिड कम टू मी फॉर खून बरी मांग एंड could I say no? I was absolutely thrilled. And I told him, Gudu, are you sure you want me in this film? He says, Rekha ji, if you don't do this film, I'm not going to make this film. And for some reason, I saw the honesty in his eyes and I believed him. And God, am I glad that I did that film. Aren't you all? Yeah. So, he is the most, can I say, strong? Actually, fearless. No. Resilience is the word. He is resilience personified. उनके सामने पहाड़ टूटे मतलब वॉल्केनो फटे मैं मर जाऊं उनको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता शॉट बढ़िया दो बस No, that's my warped up sense of humor, but generally this is me and I'm happy and blessed to be here. Very, very honored, and it's my absolute pleasure to present his most outstanding contribution to our cinema. Guruji, just keep creating magic and weave your magic wand and let us all just bask in your magical moments on celluloid. Thank you so much. Please, stage pe na jaiye. Rakesh Roshan ji, big round of applause. Thank you so much, Guduji, for this moment. I think I was just born for this day. What could be more of a blessing than this? अगर आपकी इजाज़त हो तो मैं कहूँ, हंसते हंसते कट जाए रास्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलते रहे, खुशी मिले या गम, बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलते रहे. Right?
Thank you, Rekha ji. It's been 77 years for our family, Roshan, in this industry. And when I was young, my father just told me one line that make talent your hard work if talent doesn't work hard. And I just did that. I kept on working, film after film, trying to make better and better films. But outstanding performances came from my actors, my musicians, my writers, my technicians, and my family. I thank Haifa, Andre, Sabas, Viraf for taking us global and working harder than me to make our fraternity more popular in the world. Whenever I see up sometimes, very faintly I can see Haifa written on the moon. So fasten your seatbelts. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the legend, Rakesh Roshan. I have to say though, and may I, if I might, Rekha ji, if I might take the liberty of asking of something, because for me, having Gudu Uncle and you on stage is like my cinematic memories. And there's only one song, and you mentioned that song, that is resonant of these two stalwarts. And ma'am, you actually beat me to it. You said it before I did. Because what you have expressed to that song, ma'am, is the definition of life. I have this song. We have both of you in this august company. How can we not take a piece of that memory and recreate it? Please, please,
मैम
it would
हम
be
सब बहुत
so
बड़े फैन हैं मैं भी बहुत बड़ा